Well, guys, we're just about there. I've got this side left to do and a small section back here, and then of course I've got to do some welding and clean up on some of these other sections here. We still have to do the weld along here, but aside from that, I'm gonna have quite a bit of free time on my hands as of the recent events, so I think you guys are gonna get like a bomb load of videos on Rusty here, as long as I have access to supplies to keep moving forward with the project. I will continue to upload videos, and you may get a couple of Adventures with Abel series videos coming up too. I'm not quite sure what the future holds here over the next couple months or so, but I definitely want to keep working on this because it helps me keep my sanity, so to speak, and I'm really enjoying where this is going. I did get that section cut out here. I don't know if you guys saw it in the time lapse, but I took off about 3/8 of an inch there, so we've got some more clearance for the intercooler and the radiator. And aside from that, I think that's going to be it for today, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And hey guys, help me out on the channel. It really helps me out when you leave comments, and I try to respond to all of them. I've got small enough amount of subscribers right now that I can respond to almost all of your comments. So positive, negative, doesn't matter. Leave it down in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. But other than that, take care of yourselves, guys. Catch you later. See you next time. Bye bye.